Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Lamborghini Aventador versus M5 CS. We'll explore what makes each vehicle unique, from their fundamental design philosophies to their intended driving experiences. Understand the distinct advantages each car offers, helping you decide which might better suit your preferences. We'll cover their performance, practicality, and overall value proposition. When it comes to raw power, the Aventador's V12 engine provides an exhilarating experience, pushing well over 700 horsepower. The M5 CS, with its twin-turbo V8, is incredibly potent, offering 627 horsepower. Both cars deliver blistering acceleration, with the Aventador typically achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, showcasing its supercar pedigree. The M5 CS is not far behind, demonstrating remarkable speed for a sedan. Beyond performance, practicality is a key differentiator. The Aventador is a pure two-seater supercar, designed for ultimate driving thrills, making daily errands a unique challenge. In contrast, the M5 CS comfortably seats 4, providing a more versatile and practical option for everyday driving. Regarding cost, the Aventador typically commands a starting price several $100,000 higher than the M5 CS, reflecting its exotic status and bespoke engineering. So, which car is better? If you seek an uncompromising, head-turning supercar with a naturally aspirated V12 and an exotic presence, the Lamborghini Aventador is your choice. However, if you desire incredible performance, track capability, and the ability to comfortably carry passengers and luggage, the BMW M5 CS offers a compelling package. Both are exceptional, but cater to different priorities. Check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.